Do you know how to calculate 6 root 729? I will teach you the simple method to find out the answer. Even you can find a solution to the plenty of problems like this if you watch this video completely. Welcome to Easy Mathsy Makes Math Easy. Before solving the sum, we need to know about powers and power roots. Powers. Powers are shortened way of expressing repeated multiplication. See, 3 is multiplied in many times. How many times? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So it is represented 3 in a base and 5 as a power. How many times we are multiplying? That will be in a power. So if we multiply 3 in a 5 times, 3, 3, 3, 3 like that, 5 times we have to multiply 3. So that is 243. 5 power 3. So in this power is 3, base is 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 are there? 4 times. So power is 4, base is 2. Here 4 into 4. 4 is multiplied 2 times. So power is 2, base is 4. Here 1 is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So 1 is 1 to the power 9. The power is 9, base is 1. Squares and cubes. When a number multiplied by twice by number itself, said to be squares. We have seen the number multiplied many times. If only 2 times it is multiplied, then it is said to be square. See here also only 2 times it is multiplied. That is a square. Same number is repeatedly multiplied only 2 times. 4 into 4 is 16. 6 into 6, 36. So 16 is the square of 4. 36 is the square of 6. We can say like that. If the number is multiplied 3 times like that, then it is said to be cube. When number multiplied 3 times by the same number itself, said to be cubes. You see here 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times multiplied. So 125 is the cube of 5. So we can represent 5 cube is equal to 125. We can write like that. So here also we can write 4 square is equal to 16. We can write like this. 6 square is equal to 36. Roots are inverse of powers. So what we should do, if we find out the root for this, we have to factorize this number inside the root, bringing them out. So number 32, you factorize that will be divided in 2. 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 16. 6 2s are 16, look up 6 2s are 12. Again a 2, 8 times, again with the 2, 4 times, again with the 2, 2 times. So how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 2s are there. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So inside the square root, we have to write, inside the root, we have to write 5 times 2. So here 5 is mentioned. That means only if the number is 5 times, only then we can take out the number. Only one number we can take out. And this can be represented as power is represented as directly, like now 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We are doing that like that. This square root is represented by 1 by 5. That this one will be like 1 by 5. The power will be like inverse of power. We are representing inverse of power. Now we will see our problem. 6 root of 729. Now we will factorize that. See, the 729 is the number which is divisible by 3. By how I can say that, if you add the numbers in the digit 7 plus 2 plus 9, you will get 18. 18 is divisible by 3, then this number also divisible by 3. This type of tricks I have taught you in our previous video in our playlist. You just go and watch divisibility rules. With the 3 we can multiply. We can factorize with 3. So 2 3s are 6, the remaining 1, and the 4 3s are 12, and the 3 3s are 9. And again with the 3, 24 8 times, and this 3 1 time, and again with the 3 9 times, and again with the not 9 times, 27 times. Sorry, 27 times, and again with the 3 9 times, and again with the 3 times. How many 3s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 3s are there. Square root of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sorry, this is not square root, 6 root. So 6 root of 3 means once the number is 6 times inside that root, only then we can take out the number. So the answer is 3. Simple, right? We have to factorize that, and we have to check how many times it is presented. If it is same like the number given in this root side, only then we have to take out that same number. Simple, right? Now we will see few more problems. See here, this is 4 root 81. That means 8 is factorized. See, 3 3s are 9, and this 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 9, 9 into 9, 81. So 3 is given 4 times. Okay, factorized, 81 is factorized, and it has been 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So that is equal to only 1 3 we can take out, as this is 4 square root. Even here, 6 root 64. So even this, what the number should be 6 times inside the root number. Inside this root, the number should be 6 times, only then we can take out. Here, how many times? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Equal to 2. Only 2 we can take out, as this is 6 root. Now we will see square and cube roots. Square root and cube root. This is same like reverse of a squares and cubes. Here, what we have to do? This is square root of 4 into 4. See, 4 4s are 16. So nothing is given means there is a 2. It means there is a 2. Here see 3 is given, but here nothing is given. Nothing is given means it means that is square root. 4 4s are 4 4s are 16. So only 1 4 we can take out because it is square root. So square root of 16 is 4. Here also square root of 36 is 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. How I can say? I know the square root table. Otherwise we can factorize. If you know multiplication tables, you can find out it in a simple way. 125 means 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. It's a cube root. So cube root means if the number is 3 times, only then you can take out the number. So the answer is 5. Even here, see square root of the cube root of, this is cube root of, we should say cube root of 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So only 3 we can take out. That is the answer. So these are square tables. 1 into 1 equal to 1, 2 into 2 equal to 4. Like that, same number repeatedly. At least if you learn this, if you see the number suddenly 49, you can think 7 7s are 49. So the square root of 49 is 7. Like that, you can immediately find out. Now we will see few sums. Square root of 100. 10 tens are, so this is nothing but square root of 10 into 10 plus a square root of 4 into 4. When we have to remove the square root, we will take out only one number, that is equal to 14. Square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 16 is 4. You can do directly also. To make you understand the method what has happened, I am putting in elaborated way. So this is square root 36, that is square root of 6 are minus square root of 3 3s are 9, that is equal to 1 6 we are taking out and 1 3 we are taking out. 6 minus 3, 3 is the answer for this sum. By looking that, you may get scared, oh, this much big sum, how I can put. If you know the simple method, you can do this. 7 square, 7 sevens are 49. 11 elevens are 121. What is the answer for this? 8 square is 8 eights are 64 minus 4 fours are 16. What is the answer for this? Comment me below. Thank you, children.